Hi everyone, what is going on? My name is Jamie Palmer and welcome to another episode with the Binary Destroyer 7.0. So I thought in this video I'd do some live trading for you, show you what I've been doing for the past 2 weeks while in quarantine. Now I have actually filmed my trading session every day this week, but I haven't decided to upload them because I have had obviously my girlfriend beside me and also her little one. I didn't necessarily want to be having them on my YouTube videos, so that's why I didn't upload them. But I would like to say that I have literally been smashing it this week. Since I've been in quarantine for the past 2 weeks, I have literally had such good time on the charts. If you know how to trade these market conditions, because obviously there's a lot of unpredictable moves, okay, a lot of volatility, random spikes, but those spikes causes movements which create pips, which in turn can make us money. So if you know how to use that to your advantage, you can make some serious money. Now I just want to show you my history for the past 2 weeks. Okay, let me just bring it up here. So okay, this is yesterday, so this is yesterday. So let's just go all history because that's what we're doing. I only set the account up 2 weeks ago, and okay, if I just move this to the side here, okay, you can see here, if I just bring it down here, I actually had some losses yesterday. I'm up over £1,000 profit in 2 weeks, so 500 quid a week, which is what I kind of average on binary as well, so I'm kind of happy with that. I'll show you my history yesterday. So yesterday's trading history is here, £251, and in today's video I thought I'd try and do the same and show you exactly what I have been doing. Okay, now what I found with the hold on, let me try and move this microphone. So what I found with the 7.0, okay, is if we use both the arrows, the buy and sell zones, and the diversions together as one big combination, they are extremely powerful. Okay, I'm going to quickly, I was just about to say I was going to get a buy on GPUSD, but it looks like, in fact, I am going to be cheeky and I'm going to enter a buy there. What's that? GPUSD. GBPUSD, buy one lot. Okay, we're going to go for one lot. I'm going to buy it, and I'm going to take another one. Okay, there we go. Right now, I promise you, okay, I have had such a good time, and the majority of these are going to take profit. Now, what I found with the 7.0, okay, is sorry, my camera keeps freezing. Okay, you can see here, just gone. These are just gone to take profit now. Yeah, like I was saying, what I found with the 7.0 is we can literally get in and get out, scalp. And what I found here, look, as you can see, they've just literally just hit 5 pip take profit there. Boom. Okay, within a couple of minutes. Okay, or a couple of less than a minute. I've just done 64 quid. Okay, for some unknown reason, I don't know why, but just this week I've had an awesome time on the charts. Okay, now like I said, what I found with the 7.0, here we go, I've got another arrow. I'm going to take another one. Okay, I'm going to buy it again. Okay, I'm going to keep buying with this arrow. As soon as this arrow stays, I'm going to take another buy. Okay, because what I like about this setup is there is some nice bit of resistance here. Look at that nice bit of support area there. Look at that. Okay, I really like this setup. Okay, it's like an extra confirmation. And also, if you actually use the RSI as well, can you see how we've got a slight bit of divergence as well? Even though the BD hasn't given me a diversion signal, can you see this area of, excuse me, there's an area of resistance, diversions, and also a BD arrow, which kind of sticks around. It's there, it's disappearing. But look, okay, here we go. These are going to take profit again. As they go up, come on. There we go, boom. There we go, look, again, it's so, for some unknown reasons, right, this quarantine is paying off for me. I'm up almost now 132 quid. So let's carry on, right? I'm going to carry on here and I'm going to show you some more setups, okay? But yeah, like I was saying, I might actually leave this open in case I get a signal there. USD/JPY, okay, we're at a resistance line on USD/JPY. I don't particularly want to take that at the minute because there's no area of consolidation. I don't like that. I don't like that. USD Chef, I had my eye on USD Chef. Yeah, USD Chef looks good. I'm going to ignore that actually for the time being. In fact, there's only really one trade that I'd take, and that was back to GPUSD. Yeah, so what I found with the 7.0, okay, a little secret is when we pop diversions like this, okay, I've been waiting a lot to enter at the close of the TCA line. So you notice here, right? Okay, this is what I've been doing basically for the past 2 weeks and I've been killing it. When we get diversions like this, okay, I wait for the close below the TCA line here and then go for a 5 pip take profit, as you can see what I've just done now, okay? Again, you know, you can almost count inside the zones here, okay? When you get diversions, wait for the close above the TCA line and go for 5 pips, okay? I'll find you another one that's outside the zone. Okay, here we go at the bottom here. Okay, outside the zone, TCA line, you go for 5 pips, a close of the TCA line there. Okay, there's a nice little and signal there. Another nice little and signal there. Okay, find you another diversion. Okay, at the top here, look at that, diversions here. Okay, outside the zone. Wait for the close below the TCA line, enter the market, winner. Again here, wait for the close below the TCA line. Okay, I mean, all day long. Here's another one. Look at the diversions here. Wait for the close below the TCA line, enter 5 pips. Again here, enter. You might, yeah, that would have went to about 20 pips. You would have won there. Again here, this one might have, no, you would have entered maybe there, so you would have got a bit of drawdown there, but then again, you know, that trade went to about 91 pips. Again here, close below the TCA line just there, you would have entered there. Okay, again, you got 23 pips. Again here, would have entered down there, you would have got 5 pips. So as you can see, that is pretty much what I've been doing for the past 10 days, 2 weeks. Okay, and what I've been doing now on GPUSD is using these zones here. Okay, is look, you see how we're pulling up now? Okay, because these zones are areas of consolidation. You can see here, look at the rejection wicks, right, at these levels here. Look at that rejection wick there. Price comes into the zone, rejection wick drops, comes up, rejection wicks, forms a divergence, getting at the close of the TCA line down here somewhere. You know, and if you're smart with your trades here, you can go for easily 90 pip moves, which is, you know, incredible. But like I said, you know, you've, for some unknown reason, okay, for the past week I've been smashing it. Again, look, USD/JPY is coming down, but again, there's no diversion. Look, you see these rejection wicks at the top. Okay, what I would want to see now is maybe some diversions, maybe for the price to come back up, then to come down, something like this, right? So something like this where price comes up, comes down like this. This is what I'd want to go for, and then diversions to appear, and I'd enter the market there. But apart from that, everyone, I mean, look, USD Chefs forming that. Look, we're getting a bit of diversions here now. Okay, even though the RSI hasn't popped diversions, okay, you can see the slight diversion. You can see the area of consolidation at the top here. Okay, look at the wicks. You can see the wicks. You know, you can see the RSI, with the momentum in the RSI getting lower and lower and lower. Okay, and that's pretty much what I've been doing. Okay, let's just have a. In fact, let's just take a small sell on USD Chef. Okay. So USD Chef, all symbols, there we go, sell 5 pips, let's go. Let's go for one more. yeah, so what I've been doing here, okay, I'm just going to pop this off screen for a second so I can actually see it while I'm talking to you. Okay, again, let's go for that concept of diversions outside the zone, right? And we'll see how many of them are going to be nice winners. Okay, look at this, right? Look, diversions outside the zone. Look at the wicks as well. Look at the wicks, rejection wicks. Enter at the close of the TCA line there, okay, and you made 12 pips there. Okay, again here, a close above the TCA line, again 5 pips. You know, go for 5 pips because you know it's going to get filled. You know, this trade went 22 pips. Look at the top here, diversions outside the zone. This one easily 30 pips. This trade's just about to take profit, by the way. I'll show you in a minute. Look, if I just bring them back up here, look at that. For some no reason, mate, every single time. This one here might have been a loss. Okay, I mean, you would have got a 39 pip drawdown, but then again the trade would have hit take profit. Okay, it would have hit 5 pips, which was about down here somewhere. Okay, so you probably would have had maybe about 2 hours of drawdown here, but nonetheless that would have hit take profit. Okay, at 5 pips. Again here, could have entered here. Again, you would have got a slight bit of drawdown there, but again, you know, you would have got 13 pips out of that trade. Again here, okay, again you would have got a bit of drawdown there, but you would have eventually won that one. Here at the top here, you probably would have entered here at the close of that TCA line and would have gone straight 31 pips. These trades are going in nicely now. Let's go back to here we go. Come on, keep coming. Come down to this TCA line. When this TCA line starts to turn red now, just zoom in like this. What I'd want to see, everyone, is a close below this TCA line. Here we go. Just sit here, be patient. See, look at the TCA line now, started to turn red. So we're getting that confirmation now. Hopefully we get another sell, another purple candle, red candle. It should be red, but I've turned it purple. Should carry on continuing down now. But just look at the rejection wicks here. I mean, just look at that. Okay, really good opportunity to get in and get out with this trade. What's happening with GPUSD? GPUSD is coming back down, but I like GPUSD because it's closed above that TCA line, which is good, because if GPUSD is coming down, okay, USD Chef's going to go up, but GPUSD has closed above that TCA line, which gives me that confidence to say, okay, well, USD JPY should come down at least below that TCA line, hitting my 5 pip take profit. Apart from that, okay, let's have a quick look on how well, okay, let's just have a quick look on the Mogwai strategy. Let's load up the Mogwai strategy and let's see how well that's been performing today. 5-minute time frame, okay. Okay, we had a sell here again. In fact, I need to go to this the 1-minute time frame, because the 1-minute time frame is where I've set it to. This is my preferred binary settings, by the way. Okay, so first of all, we've got a nice little sell signal at the top there. That's a really, really good signal there. We go back. Okay, we got a few there. These might have been losses. Oh, these two beautiful winners. Look at them two there. Look at that. Using that TCA line. Let me just see what these trades are saying. They're still in drawdown. Notice the TCA line coming outside of the zone. Okay, giving us that extra confirmation. If you look at where was it, those losses here, okay, and in fact TCA lines come out as well, so they're still valid trades. Okay, but these two are really nice winners here, that one and that one. Okay, I'll find you one more. That one, 5-minute expiry would have won. And again, that one there, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5-minute would have just been a draw or maybe loss. So yeah, what I'll do, everyone, is I'll update you very soon on these setups. Okay, I'll update you very soon. So I'll pause the video and I'll be back. Alright everyone, quick update, okay? Look at the rejection wick. Look how many rejection wicks we have at the top of these candles. Look at this, right? If I just zoom in, right? I was teaching my girlfriend, okay? Wicks on top means momentum going down. Wicks on bottom means momentum going up. Look at these wicks here. Look, 1 wick, 2 wicks, 3 wicks, 4 wicks, 5 wicks, 6 wicks. When you got wicks on top like this, what do you think the next move's going to be? Down. Okay, and as you can see here, I'm just hoping we close now below that TCA line and my trade gets filled. But at the minute, it's just hovering around and not really doing a lot. So at the minute, you can see I'm out 1 pips, but I'll update you as candlestick goes, and hopefully, or they will hit take profit, because like I said, for some unknown reason, this week has been incredible. So I'll be back. Right, quick update. Okay, we're slowly closing below this TCA line. Look at it. Okay, I'm just going to zoom in like this. Okay, if we stay below this TCA line, okay, take profit is going to be hit. So it's staying. Come on, keep pushing down. Come on. 0.8 pips. Come on. Here we go. Come on. One more push. One more. Here we go. Nice. 4.7, 4.8. Come on. Oh, it's so frustrating that is when that happens. Look at that. Now we're getting pushed back up. But we'll hopefully stay below this TCA line. Here we go. 4.9. There we go. Nice. There we go. Got filled. And that's my trading session today, wrapped up in 17 minutes, £200. And to give my results for, I suppose, today and yesterday, almost £500 in 2 days. So I'm quite happy with that. Like I said, if you have any questions, drop me an email, thebinarydestroyer@gmail.com. Thank you for watching.